CompTIA A Core 2 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 1.3 Compare and contrast basic features of Microsoft Windows Editions. Windows Editions. Exam Objective 1.3 focuses on comparing and contrasting the basic features of Microsoft Windows Editions. Microsoft offers several versions of Windows to meet the needs of different users and environments. For Windows 10, the main editions include Home, Pro, Pro for Workstations, and Enterprise, while Windows 11 editions include Home, Pro, and Enterprise. Each edition is designed with a specific audience in mind, ranging from everyday home users to large organizations with advanced IT requirements. As we go through these editions, you will hear terms such as Workgroup, BitLocker, Remote Desktop Protocol, Domain Join, and Group Policy. If these concepts are new to you, don't worry, these features will be explained in detail in the next video segment. For now, the goal is simply to understand which editions include these capabilities and how they differentiate one version of Windows from another. Starting with Windows 10 Home, this edition is specifically designed for personal and home use. It is well suited for individuals and families who use their computers for daily activities such as internet browsing, media consumption, social networking, and casual gaming. Students also find Windows 10 Home ideal for schoolwork, research, and online classes. In terms of features, Windows 10 Home supports workgroup configurations but does not support BitLocker encryption, does not allow Remote Desktop Protocol, or RDP hosting, and cannot join a domain. It also does not include group policy management tools. Overall, it provides a user-friendly and reliable environment for general productivity tasks. Building on this foundation, Windows 10 Pro is designed for professionals and small businesses that require more advanced functionality. In addition to everything included in the Home Edition, Windows 10 Pro offers enhanced security features such as BitLocker encryption. It also supports Remote Desktop Protocol, allowing the system to act as a remote host, and can join a domain, making it suitable for business networks. Windows 10 Pro also includes group policy management, giving administrators greater control over system settings. Like all editions, it supports workgroup configurations as well, making it flexible for both home and business use. For users who need even greater performance, Windows 10 Pro for Workstations is designed for high-end systems and specialized workloads. This edition supports more powerful hardware, including advanced multiprocessor configurations and larger amounts of memory, making it suitable for resource-intensive tasks. This is in addition to all the features found in Windows 10 Pro. It also includes support for the Resilient File System, or REFS, which is designed to improve data integrity and help protect against data corruption, especially when working with large volumes of data. These enhancements make Windows 10 Pro for Workstations ideal for professionals involved in data analysis, engineering, scientific computing, and 3D rendering. At the top of the Windows 10 lineup is Windows 10 Enterprise, which is intended for large organizations and corporate environments. It includes all the features of Windows 10 Pro, along with additional tools for centralized management and advanced security. This edition supports BitLocker, Remote Desktop Protocol hosting, Domain Join, and Group Policy Management, as well as workgroup configurations. It is best suited for environments where security, scalability, and administrative control are essential. Moving into Windows 11, the Home Edition continues to focus on personal and everyday use, but with a refreshed design and improved user experience. Windows 11 Home is ideal for tasks such as web browsing, streaming, gaming, and schoolwork. Like its Windows 10 counterpart, it supports workgroup configurations but does not support BitLocker, does not allow Remote Desktop Protocol hosting, and cannot join a domain. It also does not include group policy management tools, keeping the experience simple for general users. Next, Windows 11 Pro expands on the Home Edition by adding features designed for professional and business use. It includes BitLocker encryption for data protection, supports Remote Desktop Protocol hosting, and allows systems to join a domain. It also includes group policy management for centralized control. In addition, it supports workgroup configurations, making it suitable for a wide range of environments from small businesses to advanced users. At the enterprise level, Windows 11 Enterprise is designed for large organizations that require advanced security and centralized management. It builds on the Pro Edition by including all of its core features, such as BitLocker, remote desktop protocol hosting, domain join, and group policy management, along with workgroup support. This edition is ideal for corporate environments where managing large numbers of devices securely and efficiently is critical. Finally, there are Windows N versions, which are special editions available in certain regions to meet regulatory requirements. These versions are designed to comply with laws that promote competition by requiring Microsoft to remove certain bundled media technologies. Windows N editions are otherwise functionally equivalent to their standard counterparts, meaning they still support features such as BitLocker, remote desktop protocol, domain join, and group policy, depending on the specific edition, whether it is Home, Pro, or Enterprise. The key difference is that Windows N versions do not include built-in media features such as Windows Media Player, media playback capabilities, and certain audio and video codecs. As a result, users may find that some applications that rely on these components, such as video playback, voice recording, or certain web-based media features, may not function as expected out of the box. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.